And once the sound starts coming through your earphones again, you'll know the issue is fixed. In most cases, Type-C earphones not working on the iPhone 15 is caused by compatibility, software, or adapter-related problems, and these simple steps usually solve it. If the issue continues, try switching your adapter or cable. Some third-party Type-C cables do not fully support audio on iPhone 15 models, so using a different adapter or cable often makes a big difference. Many users have found better results with Apple certified or officially supported accessories. Before that, check your audio output settings on your iPhone. Sometimes the phone doesn't automatically route sound to wired earphones. Go into your audio or sound related settings and make sure the correct output device is selected. Another important step is to use genuine or compatible accessories. For best results, use original Apple USB-C adapters or accessories, as third-party products may not function properly with iPhone 15. You should also restart your iPhone. A simple reboot clears temporary glitches and often fixes audio detection issues instantly. Along with that, make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version. Go to Settings, then General, then Software Update, and install any pending updates. Most importantly, always check compatibility. Not all USB C earphones support iPhone audio output, and some third party earphones may not work at all with the iPhone 15. Hello, guys. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we discussed how to fix Type-C earphones not working on iPhone 15 using simple and effective steps. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more quick iPhone fixes. Thanks for watching.